Alright, what's the Hatsune Miku long tone blah blah blah? What was it again? Hatsune Miku long tone test. It's the long tone test. Long tone test. We shall watch this together. Only the mods can do mass bombs, I think. Oh my god, is this what it is? Actually did not know what this was. Holy fuck. Sorry, I tapped out, so... Oh my lord! Let's watch that again. It's a Vocaloid! What do you expect? How many minutes is this? That's unrealistic as fuck when you mid-sing and gotta hold the note solidly. I mean, you can cheat, I guess. There's even fucking vibrato at the end. What the fuck? Okay, you know what? We're gonna try this. That's impossible. We'll see. We can try. We can cheat, I guess. Yeah, I can cheat this. Good luck, have fun, thank you. Holy shit! Bro! That was so long that... Bro! That was so fucking long! I told you we could cheat our way through. You just have to sound like a fucking mosquito. Oh my god! That took me one try! Let's fucking go.